Okay. Started casting. Yes, I started casting the flow, but the rain falls, so you see almost same like this, just over it. But it's solid. The rain fell, so it do all the same. Like over it. We have started the casting. So the casting is another area. Yeah. So you see, it's about clearing up, right? Foundation is there, okay. So here we are now for the slab, for the casting. Here we are now. The flow casting. Here we are now for the flow casting. We are hoping by next week, so that everything will be over. We're thinking about how to carry up. Okay. By next week. Hoping by next week, we shall be over. Big shop. Big inside is big shop. Big shop. Yeah, big shop. The shop are big shop, big shop. As you see. Yep. So since we already got water, you see how we are working. Water is available. Everything. We are not worrying about water no more. Yes. So during the time they were digging the water, or the time we clear off, level the entire area. Because almost 3 days we were not doing nothing like casting. Yesterday we started with the casting. Yes. So within that period of time, the dead that were in here will chase up everything. Yeah. Okay.